You're watching Wisconsin Women. I'm Janet Cresson here with Lee Aker. Today we're at Evolution Body Transformation. That's a medical spa in Monona. And we have the owner with us, Dr. Stacy Shropshire. Nice to see you, Stacy.
Nice to see you, ladies.
Thank you.
Now, today you wanted to start out talking about some hair loss. People have hair loss from stress.
Sure.
Maybe from COVID.
Yep.
And I'm wondering, you're always on the cutting edge, and we should find a better way to say that, but you're always on the edge of what's new and what's working.
Yeah.
What's new here?
It's really exciting stuff. They've actually really put a lot of research into hair restoration over the last year. It's really blossomed. Mm-hmm. And they've come up with a really amazing protocol that we can use. So surprisingly, who would have thought, your scalp is really similar to your face skin. Like, it's a similar protocol to keep them clean and healthy. Mm-hmm. So over time, a lot of people use different shampoos and conditioners that can build up around the hair follicles, which actually can impede hair growth. So what we can do is we use a combination of 3 different services to really get in there and clean everything out. So the first
deep clean,
like a carpet clean. Really get in there, yeah, and stimulate that. Not only does it clean up the scalp to get all that out of there, that, you know, and people put oils in their hair, hairspray. If you think about all the stuff you use on your hair, right, that can get collected in there. Even if you're using good shampoo, it can just get really deep in there. So we have a device called the hydrofacial. I probably have talked to you guys about it before. We kind of laughingly call it a car wash for your face, but we can actually use it on your scalp as well.
No,
so what we do is you clip the hair back and you just make sections and you just go through and kind of like carpet cleaning. You just really go through each section by section, like every quarter inch of hair, to really clean out that scalp and get that nice and lovely. And then we have some really good serums that we can put in there. The next step is we use something called a plasma pen. I probably talked about that too on the show. But lightning is plasma, right? Or if you look at a neon sign, there's gas inside, that's plasma. So it has a lot of energy. It doesn't really behave like a gas, and it doesn't really behave like a liquid, but it has a lot of energy. So we have this little device called a plasma jet pen, and believe it or not, it does not hurt at all. Like everything around here, we always laugh. It's not. We come in and we're looking for an effect. We're not really looking for a big pampering session here. That's kind of not what
You'll feel a little pinch.
Yeah. But this doesn't hurt at all. You can smell ozone, and you can almost feel like little lightning strikes. And if you turn off the lights, you can actually see the little lightning strikes coming from the device.
Oh,
yeah.
Gosh.
So then we would follow up with the plasma pen. And what that does is it actually puts energy into the skin to create microchannels. And the reason we want to do that is because we have this amazing new serum called mesotherapy. And I'm using all of these words that are nonsensical. But mesotherapy is like a super concentrated vitamin serum for hair growth. And so once we make those channels, that serum can penetrate really deep into the skin to dermal epidermal junction, where the dermis meets the epidermis, where new skin is formed. And it just helps stimulate, grow, hydrate, all those things. So people's hair is getting thicker, more longer, growing faster, more luxurious.
Wow. Now, is this for someone with thinning hair, or maybe somebody that's lost a lot of hair, like a gentleman that might be balding?
Well, we need some hair in the hair follicles. So if you've been bald, shiny bald for 25 years, I don't think we're going to have much of a result. But yeah, if you have thinning hair or hair loss, either one, men or women, is working on.
Oh my gosh, I just feel like I know what I'm doing after the segment. Oh my goodness.
So it is a series, and it is something that you'd have to maintain. Okay. So it's not like it's a forever.
A one and done.
One and done. But typically we do a series of 4 to 6 treatments, just depending on how much hair loss there is. And then most people can come in like once a month, once a quarter, semi-annually, just to keep it in shape.
Okay, interesting.
I've heard of people getting thin on maybe one side, like maybe they sleep on one side, the way they style their hair. Is that true?
Yeah. So we can help with that as well.
Interesting.
Okay. Yeah. So we're going to do the hydrofacial and then the
plasma pen. And then the mesotherapy, so it's a 3-step process.
And I bet it sounds like so relaxing
to me. It actually is super relaxing. If you like people playing with your hair, most people do. Yeah, it is super relaxing for sure.
Oh my gosh. Okay, and a series to start out, and then a little maintenance.
Yeah, so just
kind of like everything
where
else
you're starting. I mean, not everybody, it's very customizable treatments. So we can come in for a consultation, talk it over, make a plan. But usually it's like 4 to 6 treatments. Yeah. To start.
Sweet. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So it's super exciting. I'm really excited to get it going.
Oh my gosh. You always, like Janet said, have like the top-notch things here, but
Well, thank
also
you.
the new things here
Thanks.
too.
Thanks.
So exciting as always. Yes.
Before we go, do you want to give a shout out to some of the other services that you do offer here?
Sure. So it's we're coming into the new year, so typically this is when people start thinking about body contouring. So we still do a ton of cool sculpting. That's a really great service to do now. If you're planning a trip for like Mexico in March, you'll have your best and final results if we get started now. Also, it's a great time for laser hair treatments or IPL photofacials, which is also a laser treatment because there's not as much sun outside. So those are things that we probably wouldn't want to do in the middle of the hot summer.
Yeah.
But this is a perfect season to get your body ready to get rid of the razor for summer or get all those sunspots cleaned up.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
All of the above. Janet and I are camping out here.
We love having
That's a
you
great
here.
place to be.
Thank you.
Thanks, Stacy. All right, and thanks for watching Television Wisconsin.